Hi. So for question 2, part 1, we've been asked to show that x squared minus 8x plus 17 is greater than 0 for all real values of x. Okay, so we have a 3-mark question here. So it's going to be quite difficult initially to look at this inequality and to say that it's greater than 0. Okay, because we have a squared term here, and then we're minusing 8 times by that x term, and then we're plusing 17, so it could get a little bit messy just to look at it like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to complete the square, which will make it much easier on the eye, much easier to look at, and then maybe we can draw some conclusions from there. Okay, so I'm going to start off just by making the initial statement. We've been asked to show that x squared minus 8x plus 17 is greater than 0. What we can now do is we can say x squared minus 8x plus 17 is identical to, now I'm going to complete the square. Okay, so I'm going to write x minus half the coefficient here, minus 4, and then we're going to square this. Okay, so that now when I expand this bracket, I'm going to get x squared minus 8x plus 16. Okay, so the x squared is good. Minus 8x is also good. The plus 16 is bad. Okay, so we want to remove that guy. And then we have the plus 17 there as well. Okay. Okay, so now this is identical to x minus 4 squared plus 1. Okay, minus 16 plus 17 is plus 1. Now I can simply say that I definitely know this is going to be greater than 0 because x minus 4 squared is going to be greater than 0, okay, because it's being squared, so it's going to be positive. Any number squared is positive, and then a positive number plus 1 is always going to remain positive. Okay, so I can just finish off with my last statement here. Because the x minus 4 squared term will always be positive as it has been squared, and we know common knowledge that anything squared is going to be positive, and any positive number plus 1 will always remain positive. Okay, so I just finish off with a closing statement there. Okay, so that's part 1 done. So if you're having trouble with any of these proofs, do check out a few links in the description below, which will forward you on to a few more helpful videos and other exam questions. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. For now, thank you very much, and I will see you in part 2.